Today we have among us a passionate environmentalist and a noble soul, Dr. Mrs. Satwant Kaur Bhullar, the principal of DAV Public School, Pakhowal Road, Ludhiana. Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a very well-established fact that DAV Pakhowal has always marched on the footprints of Arya Samaj, which has in turn strengthened its position in the hearts of millions. So, ma'am, how do you motivate the younger generation to carry out social activities and to follow the principles of Arya Samaj?
I always advise my kids, who are not only my students but my children also, because we are the parents here at school. So I advise them to become the good human being, because the objective of education in DAV institution, that is to produce the best of the human being, and that is possible that when we all make the efforts for that. And for this also it is starting from giving the example from yourself. So in all our deeds we need to live Arya Samaj, and for that we must make the efforts to become the good human beings who are caring, who have the value of sharing also, who have the sensitive mind, who think about the others also as an extended family. And my kids, my DAV extended family have been doing in the same desired way. They help others also, those who are have-nots. And then this is as a social responsibility, that I try to create that sensitivity among my team of my students as well as of the teachers also. And I'm happy that it is happening.
Gauri, isn't ma'am really a knowledge up? I hope the audience is getting a lot of value from this.
Even we are getting very motivated from you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We cannot address the issue of cleanliness in deforestation without talking about pollution, which is one of the biggest problems in the modern world. There are so many different reasons for pollution. Ma'am, my question is, what role can young Aryans play to nip this evil in the bud, and what is your take on this?
If the young generation, they started that they would prefer, this is the use of cycle, they would prefer to walk also. It not only walking not only will solve, this is to much of the extent it is the problem of the pollution, but it would be that improving the health also, our health also, because walking is the best of this is the exercise. And if the nature walks are there, this is along with the parents or going together, that also, and minimizing the use of the bikes also. So this is the project that we all, everyone, the parents, our children, and the teacher, we should collectively, we must do it. We can minimize. We need to do it for our own survival also. The level of pollution, but it is there in Delhi, and even Ludhiana is also not less in any way. And that if it is, we would be thinking, "Main hi kyun karu, dusra kare," then not possible. Let's we all try to become the example for others, and it would be making that difference also if even that the countable number would start, because to grow further, many of the seed, one seed is enough, which has the potential to grow so many of the seed. Let's we start the good work. We can solve this problem, and it is possible.
Right, ma'am. If we all work together, we can surely do this.
Yes, ma'am. It's all our good fortunes so that we have such an amazing mentor. Ma'am, it is no secret that the youth of a country will play a very important role in addressing all the topics we have discussed today. At last, ma'am, we would like to listen to your words of wisdom, especially for all the youngsters who are watching this.
It is that the education, it is not some degrees to make money. This is how to live a happy life. Education, knowledge should be used in that way to become the pure, the good souls. And that is Arya, to become Arya, which is the objective of DAV education. And for that, it is that becoming the good human being who are caring, those who are taking care of the society also, who know that how to become happy, to live a happy life, and making others also happy and comfortable, contributing to make the world not only a nation, I would say, but now this is the time of narrow nationalism. It has gone. The time is, it is of the broader, at the global, at the level, and making the humanity also good people. So let's together we make the efforts with this hope that yes, it is possible, and we will make an effort to make it possible and happen all the desired our goals. And young generation for that can play a very, very good role.
You rightly quoted, ma'am. Knowledge should be used to become a better soul. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your time to bless us with your insightful views and pearls of wisdom. It was a great segment with you.
God bless you.